speaking of Elon, we got a software update, or multiple software updates maybe, for the Model S. Performance improvements, to come and meet the high criteria that's been set by the new Taycan, pushing some crazy numbers, even though on paper they were really conservative. And then they took it out on a track, and all of a sudden 2.4 seconds on the launches, and 0 to 100, and track times. And Elon rushed over there. He sent a plaid model car over to Germany. He says, let me see what I can do. And then they start tweaking the software. And it's kind of amazing that you can drastically change the performance of a vehicle through nothing but a few lines of code there, Willie do.
Right.
And it's a real advantage that Tesla has. So they went in there, they tweaked, they tinkered, as you would if you were Tesla and you were playing around with a couple lines of code. And they were able to actually pretty significantly improve the performance of that particular car. Car and Driver went ahead and they retested the Model S since this new update, and it now matches the Taycan's 0 to 60 mile per hour time at 2.4 seconds on their test, Car and Driver test, which makes sure that the conditions are similar and all the rest of it. The update also shaves a whopping average of 2 seconds off the Model S times for short run and quarter mile pass. Most importantly, the publication did 15 consecutive runs to learn that consistency and endurance have also improved drastically. So what can I say, Will? This is the future of cars. You just unlock. Oh, that's also terrifying. I'm picturing freemium games right now where you have to unlock all the various features in the game by paying money. Imagine we get to a point where in order to unlock the next performance level for your car, you have to send a payment. And then every time you get into your car, it reminds you that you haven't done that upgrade yet.
Yeah.
And it says,
this is what you're missing out.
Yes. Or it'll even give you a sample run. It'll say, want to experience?
Have a taster.
Want to have a taster of level 2 performance? Today's on us. And then you drive around for a day on level 2 performance, and you lose it the next day. It's kind of Black Mirror-ish. So it's equally terrifying, but also incredibly convenient. Imagine the performance improvements coming over the air. It's really cool.